Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Reem. I just cleared NEET PG 2025 with a rank of 2400 and I'm here to share my journey with you guys and tell you the things that really helped me during my preparation. Now I know the usual questions are how to study, where to study from and what to study, and I'll come to those technical parts later. But the real reason I'm making this video is that NEET PG or any competitive exam really is not just about studying. It's so much more than that. The first thing I want to talk about is consistency. And no, it does not mean sitting for 12 hours every single day for 6 months. Honestly, that is not even humanly possible. Consistency is more about showing up for yourself and for your goals every day. And yes, you may fall off track sometimes, but what is more important is to bounce back and find your pace again. This brings me to the next thing that I want to highlight, which is the importance of breaks. Yes, in my opinion, it is absolutely necessary to take breaks for your mental and emotional health. Some people think getting a top rank means just locking yourself in a room and studying non-stop. But trust me, that's insanity. I literally took a trip to Bali in the middle of my preparation. I'm just saying that taking timely breaks keeps you grounded and helps you realize that NEET PG is not everything. इस एग्ज़ाम के बाहर भी एक दुनिया है, इस एग्ज़ाम के बाहर भी तुम्हारी एक लाइफ है. एंड लेट्स बी रियल, देयर आर गोइंग टू बी ब्रेक डाउन्स. देयर विल बी डेज व्हेन यू फील ओवरवेल्म्ड, होपलेस एंड even start doubting yourself. In such moments, lean on your loved ones and your support system. Talk to them and let it all out. You don't have to go through this journey alone. Sometimes even a simple conversation can give you the push that you need. And finally, my most important point is faith in yourself. No matter how your preparation is going, no matter what others tell you, just trust the process and believe in yourself. That belief is what carries you through. Coming to the study part, let me divide it in two aspects: notes and GTs. Now, for me, I personally used Marrow notes for almost all subjects except Preeti Sharma for micro, which is hands down the best, and Garg for pharma. But no matter which source you use for your notes, just stick to it and keep revising. Now, I mostly use the main notes, which are the complete, full longer notes for most of the subjects. And I will highly recommend use main notes for at least the first read. And later you can switch to rapid revision or any kind of shorter notes. I personally do not like switching my books, so I just used to highlight or mark the important points in my main notes itself, which is also a good option if you want to keep reading the same book throughout your preparation. Finally, the content is more or less the same everywhere. You cannot have all the information, it is never ending. So just stick to one source and keep revising, do multiple revisions. Now, the part that scares us the most, GTs. To be honest, I was never too afraid of GTs as such because I used them as a practice tool, and that is what they are. I gave my first GT even before I finished my first read, just to know the level of questions and to train myself to sit for 3.5 hours at once. Because in the exam, it's not just your knowledge that's being tested. Dealing with the pressure, the time crunch, and staying focused for the entire time, everything counts. This is what we have to practice in the GTs. Apart from this, GTs helps in developing the instinct. The more GTs you give, the stronger will be the instinct and the more you'll be able to trust it. After every GT, make sure to review it properly. Try to revise at least 1 or 2 subjects or a few topics that you made most mistakes in before giving the next GT. I also highly recommend making a 20th notebook or a mistake book. So after every GT, you can write down the points that are volatile or that you keep forgetting in this book, so you have everything at one place to revise whenever you feel like it. In the end, I just want to say that don't think too much, don't wait for the right time. Just take the first step and you'll find your way. Don't be afraid of making mistakes, don't be afraid of giving tests, and make sure to learn from them. Also, if there's anything you want me to talk about study related, please let me know in the comments. And all the best for your preparation. Thanks for watching.